Today something different. I will show you what you can get for 40 euros on eBay if you are bidding smart. Let's see. So I bought all of this for 40 euros with shipping. So first of all, what do we have here? Minolta autofocus lens, and I bought all of this for 40 euros. So I will include the prices for what I will resell most of the stuff here. So I will tell you for what all the thing here goes away if you sell it again with all the manuals. And this is the old price, like 300 euros. Nobody will pay this price, but yeah, seems to work fine. The lens looks clean. I'll put it back. There's the cap. I think this goes as this kind of lenses. They go onto this kind of cameras. Let's have a look. Lens mount is probably the same. Yeah, should I test it now with the camera? CR2. I think the lens works fine, but maybe the camera isn't working. I think it's just the battery, because the battery is empty. Maybe I get new ones. That's still in the packaging. No. Why does it say that the battery is empty? That's not true. I think it's the camera, it's not the battery. Because I know there was a problem with this camera. So this lens sells for about 20 euros. Maybe I can get a few euros more because it's in the original packaging, but I would say I got like the half of this package just with this. So now let's continue. What is this? Kuhlmann flash. I would say nobody needs that kind of flash anymore, but I sold so much, a lot of them. Is that the price again? Like 200 euros? I don't think anyone paid so much for that. But let's have a look on eBay. So I couldn't find exactly this one, but a similar one goes for around 15 euros plus shipping. So pretty good deal. Next thing, review flash. Is this a flash or is it a camera? It is a camera. I will probably keep this camera because it is fitting nice into my review camera collection. F4, nice sticker. Okay, the shutter isn't moving. Maybe it's because of the batteries. Maybe it's everything. Oh, look at that. It's moldy. Let's put in here some new batteries. Okay, these aren't new too, but they should do the job. And how do you open? Okay, no sound. Okay, some other batteries. And now you can hear the flash. Okay, this camera is very buggy. I won't look at the price because it probably doesn't sell that well. This camera sells for incredible 20 euros if working. But I bet nobody buys this camera. Back in the packaging, and we will continue with some other stuff. Nice looking flash. Robert Bosch GmbH. I will of course have a test before I sell it. Just have a look on eBay. Okay, I couldn't find this on eBay, but probably 10 euros, maybe more, maybe less. What is this? Let's just from Hammer Photo. Packaging is not existent. Open it like that. Yeah, it's like a cleaning set. You can see it under this old plastic. Cleaning set for lenses. I think this is just like a microfiber cloth, anti-static. I think it's just 12 pieces. Is this like to get in the corners? Oh no. Like you put in the cloth in here to get to positions that are not so easy to reach. Does somebody buy something like that? I don't know. Would you buy something like that? I don't know. This is like just a pump with, yeah. Okay, how do I get this inside here again? I just don't. Oh, there's some nice mold here. Hammer DSR system. It's just an advertising. And this was sold for 15 Deutsche Mark, German Mark probably. Can I close this back up without breaking it completely? I can't. Okay, I couldn't find that on eBay. Maybe I will just keep it for myself. And now here, like a remote shutter, 10 meters. I don't have a clue how these things work. And yeah, look at the mold in the packaging. Made in Germany. Nice. So okay, I will just put this back together and have a look on eBay. Okay, I can't find it on eBay, but probably 10 euros. Okay, Osram Flash. See. Okay, I couldn't find it on eBay. Probably 5 euros. A filter container. Yeah, nice. That's something I would probably keep for myself. Another Osram Flash S18. Okay. This one sells for about 15 euros and I have 2 of them. And in the eBay description it says Design Klassiker. Oh, they are new, I think. Okay, I won't open the package because I don't want to damage it, but the design, it's true, they look really nice. 50 euros was it. 50 Deutsche Mark, German mark. Like, it's probably, we can look when these ones are made, and then with the inflation, it's probably food for 2 weeks. And now we have a Hammer Photo Wichtiger Hobby. I really don't know what this is, but okay. I will just put 2 batteries there and we will just have a test what this really is. Okay, see, it's glowing here, and it just, can we turn this? Yeah, light pointer. Okay, but for what? Yeah, okay, but it works. That's the most important thing. It's just like a flashlight, but to show something, I don't know. And again, look at the mold. No price here, badly. Okay, but it goes for around 20 euros. Another model, but probably we can sell this for 15 euros. And what is that? Elektroauslöser für Canon Motor. And this is for the winders, shutter release for the winders. Okay, thank you. Put it into the winder, and okay. Can I find this on eBay? Because it's saying this all in German there, and I don't know the exact translation. Maybe when I just search for this number. I can't find it. I will put it in for 10 euros on eBay. After I tested it, of course. What is this? Oh, this looks like simply extension tubes for mount. Is that? I don't know. Is that for Canon FD? These are just like extension tubes for Canon FD. Oh, it's probably standing there. Canon FTB. 70 euros. Bauch Parfümerie photo. We can look up where the store was, because all the items here are from there. But first we will look. And these ones sell for around 15 euros. And now, before we come to the filters, what we have here is probably like an Aqua Silet. Yes. Nice camera. Probably works fine after all the years. Where's the shutter? Yeah, but nothing for me. I don't like this kind of cameras. I don't like shooting with them. Yeah, probably works perfect. Look inside. How do you open it up? Open it? No. Oh, there's a film inside. Okay, bad. Yeah, something I would throw into the trash directly, because I don't. There's probably somebody who would buy this. Oh, there's a light meter. Is it working? Probably not. Ah, yeah, that's what I was looking for, the light meter. Yeah, the light meter works. Okay, sells for about, no, this is not the same model. Yeah, probably 10 euros. I bet these kind of cameras, they were produced in masses, and every grandmother has one of them in their basement. So, a little flash timer. I would keep this for myself, so I'm not looking for a price. And what is here? Some lens hood, some green filters, and some other filters, anti-reflex filters. Can I get them out? Yeah, nice filters. These are probably for, no, they are not. Just this, but this fits on there, the lens hood. Okay, yeah, nice. Somebody would buy this. These filters, of course. How do I close this? Yeah. Okay, and now we have like a lot of filters, and I won't look them up because I have so many filters on offer on eBay, and I would say like 5 euros for each of them, or 3 euros. Close-up filter. And this is just like a lens cap. Another lens cap, same one. This Mikador Cut Plus +1. It's just a close-up lens. Skylight filter. 5-star filter. Looks nice. Reverse screen. Well, this one gives probably some money for Pentax and M49. Lens cap. Skylight filter. Zero haze filter. Close-up filter. Close-up. Skylight. Zero haze. And another zero haze. So So that's it. I will put all of them on the filters on eBay. Some things I will keep for myself. And thanks for watching. If you like content like this, where I just show you what I got on eBay for cheap money, write it in the comments or just don't do it. I don't care. Until next time. Ciao.